Right, fantastic morning. I'm saying, I'm not sorry, I'm going to say, I'm say, Badwam will cancel. 7 dollars, so there's a fata sauti na. Yet, by Kete we say, and yet, Arabia, Kijuan and Cassani, Eric Cassidu, where the Evesha said, for the Olympic Games. But you do need not just a corner pump on Swanessa and in a football and Manadiano final Saturday, USA versus Brazil and Abebaso. Now, third place is Spain. And in Germany, near share the obeti me Adom bronze. If you want to copy one man 200 meters and Gabby Thomas, or USA nearby, what you may Adom gold medal or a man from who to say yes, what Bremuye, a baby or by and father's affiliate. What to me Adom gold no 21.83 seconds, and not to me RJ or Paralympics now and a man at the animal thing. And can be a vide anymore, Ejim, on to me, yet, but Niger, which I move to be, but a boy said a Johnson Bakoko. The main manager in the air 200 meters. Samino, bet me Ejnagan and Nemo now, so bet me Aji bronze be the Amaya good in the intimate. But it be a bronze be a bronze no head in there, but it be a bit my bang bronze no crank and your bad. Samino, move him. You're going to send a man 200 meters, Nesikoe. Thomas and what you mean, Aji the gold medal or me a man 200 meters. Demo, a send a main manager in the Subesia called Bad and Mema 1,500 meters. Kohoka. What do not to me a gold medal and yes, I'm going to across 3 hours, 37 minutes, 65 seconds. Hey, now 27 minutes, Nicola down or no cry as I'm going to utumrika 3 hours. Mini bobe neke. Kwe. You're already a cost in 1,500. Mutumrika 10 things almost 3 hours. Adding, eh? Boy, me 2-3 minutes crowd my break. That's it. Now, medal table in the USA, 86 medals. Yes, 80 Nyasam Ketwa regions now hold on a day PM so Ashanti region, Eastern region, and the likes. Now near Shady Obitumi or Telepower money at the Now the Ghana Football Association, if you say Obesan Rival Court Football, but they're rebranding a year in a different way. KGL for Nigeria so matrix one. And a former assistant coach of the Black Stars, Masudi Dramani, Koko Piasi, and some to say Nkwala Kumboro Mubonde, and not Depa.
There are many of them who can even play in the Premiership. You know, you see, it's all about, you know, I started by speaking about the DNA and then the structures that have been put in place. If you have a clear structure when it comes to development, then the young, you heard about the Yamal and others, right? And then everybody was announcing that he got 17 in the tournament. But in terms of experiences, his experience, because he's played in the Champions League, he's played in many La Liga games, and before even showcasing him, he's played a lot of games. So the many games that youth players go through are what give them the experiences. And so as for the age, don't worry about the age when it comes to youth football.
If you want to copy yourself from very soon and check Kabaye and Nana Biasa na Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers chassis. Ghana first game in Angola or Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Na stadium we soon be pictures and images near the Sisi Niema also the Niema pim park so caterpillar grader helicopter aeroplane just a Niema in park and so nyasam keto ama park no one more nka grass the beka say be mini po neke acha senye easy cra dan no ho asem no se park ne be ready ama Black Stars se sia kan ho senye ready no Ashanti Regional Director of the National Sports Authority Mr. Kwame Ba and then some to dwe chiremu senye ombe ama park na ready.
I believe Baba Yara shouldn't be a concern to anyone, especially respecting the fact that we are all in it. We know the passion of the nation and we wouldn't want to belittle anyone or take any stakeholder for granted. But the point is, yes, we do these events occasionally to beef up our resource base to maintain the facility. Okay. And so we are saying that we are on the grounds, we will continue to do our work. We'll continue to maintain and fix everything possible to ensure that the stadium is generally ready for all competition. A lot of videos on the social media, you know, and I have tasked my IT department to do a before, during, and after video and pictures of the stadium. And at the end of the day, we'll come back to say that, yes, prudently, we have managed the little resources you want to hear about from the Kumui program. And at the same time, we have been able to cater for our water bill, electricity bills, payment of janitorials, cleaners, and all manner of people working day in and out to ensure that your dear Babayara Sports Stadium, it's, you know, at a point.
And only near director at the Eto Eja. Now, if you want to copy more from a young apostle, say a new team about the Ghanaian Premier League more. Menoka say the Division 1 Super Cup or Cromo Bobby Nia Dia, and no now more penny on Taumano, or Peter upon Domfe, then some more to ya. Say the policy or the Ghanaian Premier League, the modern say a player now wow more than one. Why Wabakura. Until one video be considered so wow 2 aquacra no on pet Makra. I want a team in Montini. We small boy crown with 2. I guess we're giant pa small boy out 2. We're giant on far more team no. How the young boys say Mujamun money in Sujinam home and a basic account or a season anymore.
The brewery ebi wo ma ubam na be wo problem na wo by 27 years o ma me yemienu na information kura che say o yere nyam no me fa onko ana nti di enti so ka chem say me fa kukudan akukudan ene de ene of late no 1-2 football young boys no yere bibo timbo o ye team e qualify ya eni team e qualify ye kwa bank so no ye mix 10 players from our squad me nko fa obi a ne maye mi na yere nyama wo 27 years na me nkoto no mafa nkoba na all blast dabi nti wo nkora na mabugo mu di no o mu nyina bia star enti dabi e yefuo no edoso o mu so kwa na me nya wo fa so na sa akuku danfo na o se me nkofa na di na nya nto because 27 years na wo bontu na match kasiere kwa do be kra se me yere nyam na ni fie wura se din fewasi otu ne yere nti okwaba ebi ayebi
Meza Peter Pondon fe na young apostles so CEO no chemo say dabi o mekane so ko yere ho no dabi ntini o pe young boys so mo yere se bia ne are yanko the man countryman songo na on fa songo stake into aso for my na no pay wo bedwama we kan see Mr Patrick Osaje man countryman songo what me kan mo akwaba na no pay.
Fantastic morning. Mr. Meji Obiasu also boko there.
Nyame Adom ye go so kakrakra akato nebro na say next week pe na ye tiasim okwa bipon enti ye go so ye warm up.
Yeah, next week ye nyina nyame ma ahode na ye go kwa kopi boko opoto na ye timi akwa koboa na ye abepew maame echikura na fantastic bia timi ade akọ nkan. Na o first video ya me hwe efa NSA boy kuma say boss no enye sa me ko fa ana maka che me IT phone say o mputu things together embe kire na ne here o dia say maka kire me IT phone say before and after o mputu things together no mo fa me kire wan mo o fa me kire wan mo o mo fa dia no mo fa me kire obi anka nche ne national sports stadium no ye timi fan ye business em fan share stadium no ana one enim say with this stadium ye timi di ye business kama very professional but mo be business ni be wi asika be ba no maintenance coach ano che say kon mo be fa so CC no e professional ena e gas na no mu tete aso no I can say a pitch cover in your pitch cover in your Obi anywhere catch a for a national sports stadium for the say not a stadium no or maintaining a woman to me find your business and woman to me find entertainment. But also munya a one cadet Samudi entertainment and Amudi business now. Mobile day. Move to me, I'm maintaining the year. BT say pitch na nipa anasa amount for 80 asono o se kamu ebi amunya pitch cover ma cover pitch ni na so grass no so na amount for 80 aso fine professional and am over no boys ni bobo ni bia eya akone ko busa boys no say ya wo mu ye happy anase eya na ye wo mu de wo mu ye very comfortable eye Babara Sports Stadium pitch no so eya busa players in the pitch no eya wo manage ana grass ne se ne sitwa no grass ne se ne SCF masa ye ni stadium kuro we mu what in America because of akwadro any sike dia I mean ye dini ba the taxpayers money ye ni stadium was kuro we mu CAF any FIFA kire say CAF kire say you Kumasi Baba stadium kwa ni betime sisi for now e dey abo international matches enye efere enye aniwu abegina obi chiri mi say na mama me IT for no put two things together from start to the end baby ya chere Ghana for send o musi chat here any send o musi here and no fast over the bebre Ghana for and fast over the bebre ni say mo be maintain stadium ni mo be maintain stadium ni mo jiska mo de be adwuma wo stadium wo na mo ye entertainment wo stadium wo ya wo baby wo ni kwansi etete all rough e bi ne pitch no grass no so no munya pitch cover na mun cover iye anu ne hia na me sa ayi makacha me IT for so mun put things together and farm train there nonsense nka ho kura on fan to baby no moment tennis stadium ni ye uti ase ni stadium ye disi akan wo Ghana ha say ama ye development ne ye youth development na academy ye infrastructure enye ewukuru ye disi akan ye dey sports ye infrastructures enye ye ni modern stadium bia ye bia ye ni modern stadium ekuta all the sporting facilities ye ni bi uti ase ye Tigana ase ni ekuta Kumasi kuta secondary kuta Tamale ekuta Accra the nation's capital stadium ningina enye international standard only Baba stadium ni say yensi only for more international football I didn't know say bata even the nation's capital or minor capital no krano you need international sports stadium I be to me see akan ho aka fa approve how but e tikro we mu see maintenance culture very poor multi stadium wo na mo fikaba ye how well a maintain stadium wo janan kura te say e janan ensu flow stadium wo kura te say e janan e ho cent kura te say stadium wo no e ho cent kura te how you maintaining the stadium and in here is e kwa mo faso maintaining Baba Sports Stadium and in here mo di business mo me hu faso business no so and mo di business as sports stadium wo no mo maintaining ye mo kuta mo ye te se ne a pitch ba bia e tete aso bobo grass no so no very bad it mo me hwe ye dey ye maintaining sports stadium ni na ye ni bi now ma memra Olympics no me ba Olympics me ba Olympics ni hia me it should be a worry to Ghanaians say yintimi nya dey and you medal bia Olympics no or say you worry to Ghanaians or say dia worry to us yintimi nya dey and you medal Olympics no and bad very very bad very very bad say yintimi nya dey and you medal Olympics ye kopie mu ye call it say ye ko Olympics ne say Ghana uri bisa won say ye ko Olympics ne bi say I mean ye diploma and ya host you all sort of competitions how to keep them on their toes. Olympics 20 years now football and then my football playing Kobe. Member football 20 years now Olympics. Intimin Kobe Meteors under 23. Black Queens and ma Intimin Kobe Olympics. As we have Bobo Paris Olympics no say how we Ghana near. Say yes sports do okuro yes sports no biara ye more sportsmen and women. A moment to develop it. Enya medals no emfa mo ho ene Ghana empeja Ghana konanim na sports ni biara na ye because emine bi aka mu no na ye athlete no ko Olympics anya kura no boxing omuyade anya kura omum tumika no omuyade ehu I mean Ignatius Gaze amoni those days tali yebetima boti matamo omu nyina timi tese Ghana maybe atwam ye ko Olympic Games a ye boy ho modern anya ba ku bi de boxing medal bi de tese ye yiri bronze bi de enei medals ne dia na manfo ji
okay
medals ne kwa na ko tam ne kwa na ko
yeah
yanjibi adai en hawo you could ye sports ne nye meto aso 1 p.m.
sure
meto aso 1 p.m. Fire for fire sports na ye ukromu ni say dodo
yeah
you could have bad sports ministry ni bad sports minister ni bad sports administrator also timi hwe
right
can ho asem more
okay more fire. My man, Mr. Patrick Osachaman Country Masongo, and at 1 p.m. we share our fire for fire. So we be so na yesi sectorial debater. Yasha say or Adom TV so year to 2 year 9 year share the various sectors. Now me pacho bad den me pacho year share education into year bad den the NDC and MPP on be what work for education in the on my year. Education money arrest so afi material say battle no TT we bi ne tie obi a policy or the banya yoben obi okro kasa na no popo atimi so odi ntro entoma no aha the entie mu ye sectorial debate san abaso de den wadom TV so to kasha ne so sa efma me bet power de esi akonkwa no pa me de nsabro ebreo kama pa enye easy kra and I me papa a birthday yes my spiritual father Apostle Francis Amwakwata of Parliament Chapel International yes the overseer yes and see one fantastic happy birthday going out to you daddy nyame sha no ton kone momo akoma so bi sade emrem more life more strength and increase in anointing yes share the amount pomuden pa and yes amount and anopai happy birthday once again from ye nyina you show well now abusia ibegina Australia see Bernard Paddy Butwe Sergio Manocha me producers Kejwana kasa ni Eric Kasi edu buari yede apomuden won samo to aso messes afia mankwa tamaklo koso ahebegem